Hello, we're going to talk about today's assignment, which is the water usage for Long Walk to Water. And you will calculate your average daily water usage using the estimation chart that we gave you. So we have an estimation chart, and then you will figure out how many trips after you figure out your estimated water usage, you're going to figure out how many trips to the pond it would take you to collect your average daily water usage. And then you're going to watch the video and create a chart or graph to represent your daily usage. So this is just kind of how much water do I use? And so if I'm looking at the chart so how much water do I use right here? I just looked at this chart like if I looked at the toilet, and number of times would be like, let's say an average would be 5, and then we have circumstances is just a normal conventional toilet, so that's this many gallons. If it's a low flush toilet, 1.6. If it's a high efficiency toilet. Now you may not know. I just say go to the middle on these things if you don't know for sure. So I said like I had 9 flushes a day at 1.6 gallons, and I had 14.4 gallons that I would use. And I went ahead and did the rest of this for brushing my teeth, cooking, dishwashing, drinking, laundry, pets, and then I don't really wash cars, but I do water my lawn. So I just did the average like per week and divided by 7. I did the same thing for laundry. If I do laundry and I do like 3 loads a week, and it's about 20 gallons, so that's 60 gallons per week divided by 7. So I ended up with like 8.57 gallons for my laundry. So I have all of these. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to then get my total. So if I add all these together, I got 60.77. And I just added them up. So my daily total is 60.77. And we know that a gallon of water weighs about 8 pounds, and Naya carries an average of 40 pounds each week. So how many gallons is Naya carrying? At 40 pounds, she's carrying about 5 gallons of water per trip. So she does 2 trips a day. So she's carrying about 10 gallons of water a day for her family. Well, I'm using 60 gallons per day just for me. So I don't even know what my entire family's usage, but it's a lot more than 10 gallons. So how many trips to the pond would I have to make to get my 60 gallons per day? I'd have to make 12 trips a day to the pond. I couldn't even do that. If it's 2 hours there, I'd be spending, if it's 2 hours there and 2 hours back for every trip, that's 4 hours. There's not enough physical hours in the day for me to make 12 trips a day. So I would already be in trouble with my water usage. Now, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to insert a graph or a chart. And the way that you would do this is, I'm going to go to this blank one. You can watch this video, but you can also just watch what I do. Insert a chart. You can do bar, column, or line. I'm going to do the pie chart. And it's going to give you an option to edit in sheets, and I recommend you do that because that's going to make your graph making a lot easier. So if, let's say, I can go back to my numbers. So I'll go back to, let's say, my numbers here of my usage. I'm just going to copy that, and I'm just going to go ahead and scroll up some here. I'm going to paste that. And I want to get rid of these like extra lines. Okay.